Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 2 of English 123 College Composition Part 2. Just as a quick note, if you've not purchased your online textbook yet for this course, make sure that you do so by next week. The textbook can be accessed through the link Module 2, discussing your topic and conducting preliminary research. It's also labeled External Learning Tool. If you have taken this course before, please make sure that you contact your advisor to reset your code, because that's not something that I can do or help you with, but your advisor can. So you have a 2-4 activity and a 2-5 activity that are in that textbook. Remember to do them. A lot of people forget to do the assignments from their textbook, and they do count, and they kind of add up to be a pretty big portion of your overall grade. The other assignment that's due this week is your 2-5 assignment. Basically, we talked last week about your 3 long-term projects, and the 2-5 assignment is part of Project 1, your writing plan. So in this module, you're going to be describing your argument. Make sure that your topic can be debated. It's a persuasive essay, not an informative essay. I've seen this happen a number of times with students, that they have a really interesting topic and they just tell me about it instead of arguing one side or another. So make sure that you have that. Identify challenges that you might run into with both your audience and your research. Why might people not want to take your side of the argument? What do you think might happen when you get into the research part? What do you think might go wrong there, or what might be just a little bit difficult or tricky? Establish goals for your essay. What do you want people to do, think, or believe? What should readers come away with once they finish reading the argument? Identify 3 key points that are going to support your thesis. You're going to develop those into body paragraphs later when you do the essay. Identify and describe 2 sources that you're going to be using in your paper later, and then talk about how you're going to incorporate or integrate that evidence. Now, what that means is that basically, what points of the argument are you going to use to support things or to have that opposing viewpoint? Where are you going to use those pieces of evidence? What quotes or facts or statistics might you use? And how do you plan on citing it? Those are just a few things to kind of keep in mind there. You can write this assignment in whatever form seems best to you. Sometimes people write it in like essay form or an outline. Other times, students number their answers to make sure that they hit all the points of the rubric. Be sending out some resources later to help on that integrating evidence piece. The information from the textbook is solid. The video lecture that I created kind of explained things too in pretty clear terms, and talks about how to write body paragraphs that integrate that research. I really wrote it specifically for this course, so and did that lecture just for you guys. So I hope that it helps quite a bit. All right, that's it for today. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks, everybody.